So a few weeks ago we announced that we're an official Fantic off-road dealership. In this box is a new 2026 XX250, so we're really excited for this unboxing, for this all new bike, the first one we've had in the showroom, and this will be the bike that I'm racing next year. I'm going to race one of these, so really excited to get this unboxed. So let's see inside. You can smell the two-stroke already. This is the most excited I've been on an unboxing, that's for sure. Okay, so we're here in the workshop. Time to get this beautiful machine built up. So that is essentially it, out of the crate and assembled, ready to go on sale. Now of course, once one of these was to sell, I would then go back through it again before it went out to the customer, just double check everything over, double check grease on the spindles and whatnot, but obviously we don't need to bore you with that. This video was simply just getting it out of the crate and showing you this fantastic machine. So here it is, under the spotlight in all of its glory, and there's no denying this is an absolutely stunning machine. I've mentioned it previously, this is the model that I'm going to be racing next year and I can't wait. Now if you are a two-stroke fan, you're going to absolutely love this. There's not really that much choice in the modern 250 two-stroke market. We've obviously got KTM and we've obviously got Yamaha, which this bike is obviously heavily based upon. Now the Fantic XX250 has won numerous European championships. It really is a potent machine. It takes the fantastic Yamaha platform and they've just sprinkled Fantic's goodies all across it. So it just takes what is a brilliant platform and makes it that much better. I'll now dive deeper in for you so that you can see what it's all about. So as I've just alluded to, it's based on the Yamaha platform. So we get the wonderful chassis with KYB suspension. We all know how good the KYB suspension is, some of the best that there is, and this frame and chassis has been going for generations now. It's absolutely tried and tested, superb. And then of course they take Yamaha's wonderful power plant, but then what Fantic do is they put a high compression racing piston in there, and it's also got Fantic's own racing exhaust designed in collaboration with Arrow, so it actually comes with a race system. And then what you also get is the Athena ECU, so we've got two-stage mapping, which again on two strokes to come as standard. There's not that many that do, obviously the Yamaha doesn't. You've got the two-stage mapping on here that can be switched on the fly. This bike also has slightly larger it also comes with slightly larger radiators than the Yamaha, so of course bigger radiators, better cooling so that the engine runs cooler. We've got the new generation Domino lock-on grips. So again, the lock-on grips have been coming out and the more premium brands are now using these. It's just so easy, on and off in minutes, as opposed to having to mess with gluing grips on. So again, that's a brilliant feature that this has on here. And then another marvellous feature on the Fantic, obviously on most two-strokes, and especially on the Yamaha, you've got to remove the seat to access the filter. Fantic have made their own airbox, and it's a side access airbox, so just nice and easy, simply remove the cover and your air filter is there. So lots of brilliant features on this machine. Again, it just simply takes what is a brilliant platform and just makes it even better. And there's just no denying how nice it looks. So, hope you enjoyed that walk round. Now, it wouldn't be fair to have made you sit through this whole video without hearing what this stunning two-stroke sounds like. So back into the workshop we go. Okay, so let's fire this beauty into life. So obviously, first things first, we just need to check we've got coolant. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so next up, we just want to check that it's come out of the factory with the correct amount of oil. So we just loosen, slowly loosen this oil check bolt. Oil should just slowly start to creep out, and then we know that we're correct. Yep, oil's lovely in there. And then of course we can't get anywhere without any go-go juice. So fresh two-stroke, in we go. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see if she runs. Got my walking boots on. Gotta say, it's been a while since I've had to kick a two-stroke. I've been spoilt with electric start four-strokes. Well, there we are. I don't know anyone who can't not like that sound. Nothing beats the sound of a two-stroke, especially a fresh one. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Just something different. As always, please do like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. Look out for more of our upcoming Fantic videos as more and more of the new 2026 models arrive.